Okay guys, hi, Tim here. Gonna do some more of these coasters. I got that show coming up. So today, do a quick one. I'm gonna use some black in there. Never done just a black background, so this will be different. Whoops. Whoops, 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 whoops. That's a lot. Did a lot there, Junior. This is a light blue. Just trying to go through my colors. Got a gold here. This is that gold metallic. This is really nice stuff here. Little bit here and there. We're having a little bit of some cell action going on there. Okay, this is a marine blue. It's a darker blue. Okay, I got a little pinky. This is a really bright fluorescent pink. I don't know what that's going to do. These are kind of some different colors to use together, which got to kind of tailor to everybody's taste, right? We're going to be making coasters for all kinds of people. You got to know that everybody's got a different taste. Move that over for you there so you can see it better. Just blotting some lines here. One more. I think I'm going to use a black activator, so this is going to be strange. A black background, a black activator. I don't know. Let's find out. Let's see what happens, folks. Okay, just black and water. I tried to do some earlier with white. For some darn reason, it would not activate for me, as far as I could see anyways. So we're going to see what this is going to do. It's a really dark one there. Okay, let's go. May not work out with it being a black background, right? I don't know. Oh, there they're popping. They're popping out of there. Some people just like the color black. That's all they want in their kitchen is black. So this one. I don't know. Might just have a black coaster here. That one over there is looking really cool. Let's see. Remember, Tim has to have patience, and Tim don't have patience. I like instant results. So, am I going to be disappointed? Oh, let's see. See what's going to come out of this. That out of the way. That looks pretty cool. Okay, let's move them around, see what we get. Let's see, this one here was the first one. So let's just motor around. Let's try to keep that in the middle. Interesting. That's pretty. See here. Sorry guys, I'm trying to make sure I got enough paint everywhere for it. Alrighty. Okay, let's grab it. Yeah, I think these might turn out alright. I mean, they're not white, red, and purple. I know. I have an issue with that. Let's go this way. I'm sorry. I need a camera in front of me really bad. That's why I never became an actor. I couldn't stay in front of the camera. See? This is the only two I got left. I gotta buy some more of the little boogers. What do you think, guys? Give me a thumbs up if you really like this stuff. Like to see that. Ooh, that purple and blue. Check that monster out. Yeah. This corner over here. Sorry if I'm out of the picture. I don't have any. Well, my little stands are underneath. I'm going to have to steal some off of what I did yesterday. Well, this looks like I can save a lot of some nice cells there. There we go. There we go. There we go. Okay. Come on down. There it goes. Okay. Let's see. Get some to roll off of that corner there. Slippery when wet. They weren't kidding. Okay, there we go. There we go. All right. Let me wipe my fingers off. Grab the camera. Do a quickie cloak up. Yeah, these are a little different, that's for sure. I can get that one there to move a little bit more. No, I don't think it's gonna. That's it. Well, how are we gonna do these? Sell them as sets? Let people pick out 4, they get whatever they want, or do they go as a set? I know. Okay, hold on. Wow. That's a beautiful blue, isn't it? Look at that. I didn't think these would come out this good. Look at a separation of color right there. That's pretty cool. This one here is kind of plain, but it's nice. Pretty, 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 pretty. And I put gold in all of them, and this one here's got the most gold. Okay, it happens. It's all right. Okay, guys. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed what you've seen, give me a thumbs up. And share, please. Okay. Thank you for all the new subscribers. We're growing fast. All right, guys. Thank you. God bless.